Good morning, everyone. So today I have decided to make a Pooh Bear Izzy Doll. So I'm using orange yarn, or you can use yellow for the body, and I've got red for his t-shirt, and I don't have scraps, so I just use my big balls. And I've got some little bit more orange here, so I don't know how much I need. And before you get started, make sure you cut yourself a long piece of yarn. That goes around the feet. I put it through my first row. It doesn't matter whether you want to pull it in or to sew it across. It gives you a nice finish, but it means that it's easier to see the stitches when you want to sew them. So these ones I've sewed, and these two I've pulled in, and it's so much easier. This one was my very first Izzy doll, and I tried to thread the yarn through to pull it in after I'd knitted it. I didn't do it at the beginning, and I couldn't see, apart from it being black, I just couldn't see. So I've cast on my 32 stitches, and then on my I've just got one of these big yarn needles with a great big hole here, but you can use an ordinary needle, use whatever you have, but I love these needles. And I'm just going to slowly put it through. Sometimes I do it stitch by stitch, and other times I can get 2 or 3 stitches done. It depends how tight I've done the casting on. Now, if you don't know how to cast on or do stocking stitch, I do have tutorials in my playlist called My Tutorials, and you'll be able to see how to cast on there and do the stocking stitch. And then you'll be able to do your Izzy doll. So I'm just going to slowly go through and thread this waste yarn, which will stay here the whole time I'm knitting. Now, because it's Pooh Bear and he doesn't have any shoes or trousers, I'll go back to my visual recipe, and I'm going to be going right up to the jersey in the same colour. So I've got 4 rows for the shoes and 14 for the pants. So I'll do approximately 18 rows, and then I'll change colour for the jersey. Now, it's approximate because as long as I end up back on a knit side row, the right side. So it's just a more or less number of rows, an approximation. So I will finish threading through my yarn, and then I'm going to do approximately 18 rows of stocking stitch, and then I'll come back and we'll change rows for the jersey, change colour for the jersey. So you can use yellow or you can use orange, whichever colour you like for his body. So I'll be back soon. Okay, so you can see down the bottom here, I've still got my waste yarn in on the very first row, and it makes it a really nice little edge, which means that if I wanted to sew it, I can actually really easily see the stitches, but I might pull this one in for the feet. So I ended up doing 18 rows, so that would have been shoes and trousers, but it's all in one colour this time for Pooh Bear. And so now I'm going to change to my red for a jersey. I want this to be an easy video, so I'm not going to worry about making it a t-shirt and having orange arms and then just a t-shirt short sleeves. I'm going to make it very easy. So I'm going to add the red, and I'm going to do approximately 12 rows for the red, and then we'll come back and change for the face. So change to your red and do 12 rows in stocking stitch. So I ended up with 11 rows because I wanted to end up on a right side row. So 11 rows for the jersey. So now we're going to go back to do his face in orange, and don't forget to tighten the neck. I always put in on the first row another piece of waste yarn. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the face and the hat in the same colour, because we're not really doing a hat, we're doing his head. So I'm going to do about 10 rows for the face and another 10 or so rows, or whatever rows it comes to when I do the decreasing. And so I will make sure that I do the decreasing separate for you. So just for now, I'm going to add the waste yarn in, just like I did for the bottom, and I'm going to do about 10 rows for the face, or whatever ends up on a right side row. So first of all, I need to knit the first row in orange, and then I'll put in the waste yarn. So I'll do my first row in the orange. Okay, so I've done my first row in the orange, and now I'm going to use the same colour, and I'm just going to add my waste yarn. Oops, let me turn on my, does that make it easier for you to see? Add my waste yarn by just putting it through the stitches that are on the needle, and that will stay there. Now I could, it doesn't really matter, I could have done on the last row, the red, I could have done red waste yarn, but I've decided to do the first row of the orange, because when you're doing the neck, you can't really see, especially if you're doing a scarf over them. If you put a scarf, you definitely can't see, but if you pull them tight enough, I suppose you can't really see if you do it on the last row of the jersey colour. But I've decided to play it safe and put my waste yarn in on the first row of the face colour. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'll finish about 10 rows, 9 or 10 rows of the orange for the face, and then I'll come back. So I ended up doing 9 rows for his face. You can see the waste yarn is still in here that I put in earlier. So I'm going to make a completely separate video for the decreasing for the top of his head, or which would normally be the beanie or hat area. But because he's not wearing a hat, I'll just be keeping it the same orange colour, and I'll show you how to do the decreasing, which is very easy. I'll see you soon.